So I want to switch Apple CarPlay on. So I'm on home, you've got phone, click on phone, and then see the top here, the person, click on there. You've got devices, click devices, then you've got this whole new menu. You've got Apple CarPlay there. So that's on Bluetooth for phone and music. Now I want to click Apple CarPlay. That's it, I'm on Apple CarPlay. Go to home now, click Apple CarPlay. That's it, you don't have to do another thing now. You don't need to touch your phone at all, because if you want to send a text, I'll just show you how easy it is to use. Hey Siri. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just using the Apple CarPlay in this 2020 Porsche Macan.
It says, I'm just using the Apple CarPlay this 2020 Porsche Macan. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now you'll see a message has come up there. Driving along the road, you can't use your phone. Hey Siri. Read messages.
Barry said I'm just using the Apple CarPlay this 2020 Porsche Macan. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you. Hey Siri. Call Barry.
Which one? Barry Crampton, or Barry home number?
Barry Crampton.
Calling Barry, work.
That's it, that's me calling. Don't have to touch your phone. You're driving along the road, you need to go somewhere suddenly and you don't know where it is. Hey Siri. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You'll see it comes up with several choices. "50 minutes ETA, there's a go button, but you don't have to press it because it will assume, seeing as you've asked it, that you want to go to Manchester Airport. It will take you there. So now it's navigating to Manchester Airport. I want a coffee on the way, I want to add a destination. Hey Siri. Take me to Starbucks.
One possibility is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 7 minutes to your route. Would you like that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
That's it. So it adds a destination. I call it Starbucks, then I continue to Manchester Airport. Hey Siri. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Hey Siri, shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
I'll just put that on. I'll just change the screen so you can see. There you go. Moonlighting, Leo Sayer. You want to play a specific track. Hey Siri, play Fire by Barnes Courtney.
Here's Fire by Barnes Courtney.
So it's that easy. You don't have to use your phone and you can do anything. You've got WhatsApp, you've got your calendar, Zap Map if you need to find an electric place to charge, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Apple iTunes. Just absolutely perfect. A great system. Great system, easy to use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.